Video is about the tips for get started with Windows 10. So just click on this tip option, and here you can see the first tip. We can find app files and more on your PC directly with the window lock key. Just click on the window lock click and give the application name whichever you want to search. Like here I give the word, so you can this word application get come up. So click on this word app and your word application will get open. So what is the thing, you have to just search the application name in the search bar and you can search any application. We can explain with another example. Like I pass Xbox game bar and you can see this game bar get open. It's not appearing as it's not coming to the recording part. So this is the first tip, very handy. Second is you can customize your start menu. So if you want to uh, anything you want to quick access in your application, in your start menu, you have to just go to the start menu and you have to pin to start that application, so it will come your start at your start menu option, and you can do the setting ready to start with this thing. Send the setting option here. You can like do many things, like start more, show more tile on start, like this thing. You can do the setting ready to start here. So now how to pin your application in start menu. Here you can go there and click on right click on an application and you can see pin to start option, and this application will come into the start menu. If you want to unpin it, click on it and unpin from the start. So this application will unpin from your start. So this is the second tip, which is also very useful. You can pin any application in the start. Now third is you can organize your start with the folders. For that you have to you can make a folder of the same application. For that you have to drag and drop the two folder into one another so that they will create a folder. So like here if I drag this one application GIMP and drag out on the append, so this will create a folder. And then, yeah, so if you draw another application and drop it into this folder, it will come inside this folder. So it's like a drag and drop facility for creating a folder. For removing the application from the folder, what you have to do, you have to drag it out so that that folder will be removed from there, like this. But if you want to remove the folder also, so for that there is a different thing. What you have to do, you have to right click on this folder. You have to right click on it and unpin folder from start, so this folder will get removed. So application will also get removed with the help of first and second tip. You can again do it. So just search your application and pin it to start, so it will again come to the start menu. You can see this point 3D option again start coming. So this is the third tip. It is also very useful. So now the fourth tip is find the setting quickly. So if you want to find any setting details, you can find it by typing the keywords in the search box. So for that you have to go to the setting option. Just click setting here, or you can directly click on the setting option here. Click here and just pass the keyword. So consider we pass theme here, so we can get all the setting related to theme here, like theme related setting, choose your account setting, high change, high contrast setting, like that. Also pass sound, and you can find the sound related all the settings here, like choose your input sounds and adjust sound and everything. So this is a very useful way to find the setting easily just passing the keywords. And if you want to do the setting, you can also do this. You can go to the setting option by passing the setting keyword, which I have told you earlier. So just type setting and the setting app will get open. Here again pass the keywords and same thing, you will get all the results. So this is the same way to get the setting, Windows setting fastly. So you can sign up. So the fifth tip will be the sign up with the accounts, so that you can sync all the devices with the same account. So you can add a Microsoft account to that is to use this. So you can just go to open email and account setting in the setting option and give your account, and here my account is already linked in, signed in. You can also add other accounts by clicking on add an account option. If you click it, you will get the other account from different things like Google, or if you have Office 365 and iCloud, you can add that account also and you can sync it. So this is the fifth tip for the. So sixth tip will be, you can get the quick action option. So with the help of quick action option, you can do multiple setting quickly. So just click on this open action center. Here in the right hand corner of your screen, you will get the quick setting option. You can expand it and you will get all the settings, like you will get the focus assist setting, you will get the airplane mode setting from here, and also Bluetooth setting, and night light setting will be there. If you click on focus assist, different settings will be maintained according to the focus assist, and you can on and off mobile hotspot from here. So it's pretty handy to perform your operation from there, from the action center here. And so this is the seventh tip for with Windows 10 you will get. So you can also click on this part and you will directly get the settings, this quick action centers. Now sixth setting, so this is sixth tip. Seventh tip will be get app from your PC. You will go to the Microsoft store and you will get all the apps you want. Like you go to this Microsoft store and you open it and you will get all the applications directly from here. For this you have to just log in with your account, so with which you have logged in your Microsoft account. So you need a Microsoft account for this. So you can download any games from here and other top free apps, like here you can see Netflix is there and Instagram and everything is there. So you click on Netflix. Let's click on Netflix, and so here you can get this app directly from here, just clicking on the get option, and this application will get installed in your system. So this is after clicking on get, you have to give the password or Windows security, whichever is enabled in your system. So the application will be installed in your system. So this is also a good thing in Windows 10. And now 8th thing is, you need to keep your PC up to date. For that you should you will get the latest feature and security updates in the setting option of the start menu. You can again go to the setting option with the help of the start, and their update and security will be another option. In that you have to click on the Windows update and you will get checked for the updates. So we will go to setting, open it, and here you have to go to the check. You want to check for the updates. So just directly go to the update and security. You have to search. So search for update, and so here you can directly get the check for update, which the earlier tips which I have told you, with the help of that, and you can check for the update, where here my system is completely up to date. So if you get any update, you will get from here and you can update your system. And the final tip is, you can learn from the experts. So you can go to the Windows expert and you will take any help which you need according to in respect of the Windows 10. So this is the option for where you can learn from experts. So these are basically the 9 tips which are very handy in Windows 10 and very helpful, and will make our work easier and faster. So if you like this, please like this video. Thank you, and please subscribe it. Thank you.